Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dan Monk.
Wow. Let's hear it again one more time for Robert DeLong. He's got exactly the high energy and style that's a perfect fit for this new Nissan Kicks. Now, Kicks, of course, is the latest addition to Nissan's incredibly successful CUV lineup. It all started a couple years ago with the redesigned Rogue, which has set all-time sales records month after month, year after year. Now, we kept the momentum going last summer with the launch of the all-new Rogue Sport. And coming this spring, Kicks, the new gateway to our CUV lineup, jumps into the heart of the emerging entry CUV class. And Kicks has the style and substance to really stand out. So let's take a closer look, starting with its expressive style. Kicks has its roots in the vibrancy and exuberance of Brazil's Carnival. The original Kicks concept was a collaboration between Nissan Design Studios in San Diego and Rio de Janeiro. From the two-tone paint, aggressive stance, and eye-catching point, Kicks reflects an energetic attitude and style that makes it unique, while embracing signature Nissan design features such as the floating roof and V-motion grille. Now, packaging is also a Kicks strength, just like Rogue and Rogue Sport. Along with a roomy, smart interior and 25 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. The 5-passenger Kicks offers ample room for all occupants with front, head, and leg room, the best among key competitors. And Kicks delivers a surprising level of features for this segment in the form of technology that we say is a class above. Like all of our 2018 cars, trucks, and SUVs, Kicks embraces the 3 pillars of Nissan's intelligent mobility: intelligent driving, intelligent power, and intelligent integration. We believe that our new Nissan Kicks, just as much as any vehicle in our lineup, should have technology that turns cars from plain machines to intelligent assistants. And that's what Nissan Intelligent Mobility brings to Kicks and to our customers. That's why every Kicks includes standard automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning. Plus, there's available blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and the amazing intelligent around view monitor. Now that's intelligent driving. What about intelligent power? We expect the adventure-enabling Kicks to offer fuel economy of 33 miles per gallon from its 1.6-liter engine and Xtronic transmission. And as for intelligent integration, Kicks offers standard 7-inch display, Bluetooth audio streaming with available Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a personal Bose Personal Plus audio system with 8 speakers, including 2 mounted in the driver's seat head restraint. Kicks personalized integration lets you have what you want, where you want it. You choose the interface for real-time traffic or custom playlists, enjoyed in the comfort of our famous NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats. Now, the Kicks will appeal heavily to buyers moving up from small entry-level sedans. One of the key Kicks attributes will be its impressive class-leading features at an attractive MSRP. In other words, value. 3 grade levels will be offered with a projected well-equipped Kicks priced well under $19,000. So there you have it, the all-new Nissan Kicks, with class-above technology, expressive style, and fun-to-drive performance, all at a great price.
It's an absolutely great place to be right now. This is the area that's growing, in the lower compact segment. So I think we're going to find that customers that want an alternative and they're looking for something to fit their needs, and especially if they're like living in an urban setting, it will be right in the sweet spot.
Styling of the vehicle is quite dynamic, as you can see. The two-tone roof has been a key signature element for the vehicle, and we know that millennials are looking for something a little bit different. They're not looking for their parents' crossover or SUV. So I think in the design expression we get that. It still has a whole lot of utility, a lot of room and space, along with great fuel economy. So I think all in all, it's a fantastic package.
We know that there's an opportunity, especially for us in this lower compact segment. So we know that as customers come in and they're looking for something to fit their busy lifestyle, we feel this hits a really sweet spot, especially for some of these younger customers. If they want to, get out of a sedan and go into a vehicle that's going to fit their lifestyle, I think this is a great entry-level vehicle for them.
As product planners, we look very carefully at what this customer, and they're the millennial. And they were the first generation that really grew up and their first ride in a car was in a child seat from hospital. And they are really steeped in the need for safety and the need for technology. So one of the things we've done is we've made an automatic emergency braking standard technology. Blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, standard forward collision warning. All these technologies that we believe will resonate with the millennials, tied perfectly back in this vehicle in terms of what we've incorporated.
Pricing under $19,000, so that's a fantastic price point. Also, just great interior roominess in this vehicle, fantastic leg room. We also have the lovely Bose headset right in the headrest, which will be incredible. And again, keep in mind, this is a tech-savvy customer, so it's going to fit their needs.
And we've seen with the Rogue Sport, which people might have thought was an experiment, you don't have space for another crossover in the lower price point. And we know from the sales even this month that Rogue Sport is on fire. We believe even bringing the price point lower with the Kicks offering that we'll repeat that success once again.
If you think about it, this vehicle is perfect for what we're trying to do. There's a huge opportunity right now, especially in crossovers. And so as customers move maybe from a Sentra or from a compact sedan and they want to move over into the crossovers, this is going to fit their needs.